Okay, let's get started. The first thing we'll want to install is Winget. So it's just a package manager for Windows. So you can do that through either Microsoft Store or GitHub. So I'll just open Microsoft Store, go to Library, and what you'll need is this package right here, App Installer. If for whatever reason you can't get it through this, you can get it through GitHub. Just open a browser, so Firefox. So all you need to search is Winget GitHub. Just under releases, let's click on the latest one, and you'll be able to download that down here and get that. I think the MSIX bundle is what you'd want. Alright, so once you've got Winget installed, go ahead and open up a command prompt. Just a test, if you type in the Winget, you should get the help page for it. So we'll install PowerShell 7. Try to find the package name first. So Winget search PowerShell. Okay, so the one we'll want is the Microsoft.PowerShell ID. So Winget install Microsoft.PowerShell. Just hit yes. Alright, awesome. So next we'll install Winget install Microsoft.terminal. Oh, two L's. Winget search terminal. Microsoft.Windows terminal. Right, so Winget install Microsoft.Windows terminal. Alright, so at this point I'll go ahead and close command prompt and search for terminal. Yep, and it's opening up PowerShell. In the event that it doesn't, what you can do is you can just hit this little arrow here and click on PowerShell to open that up, or you can set it as a default. Just under settings, startup, default profile, and then PowerShell. Okay, so at this point what we'll want to do is install a couple modules. So install module posh git, and we'll set the scope to the current user. And just hit enter. Yep, so install module my posh, and again scope current user. Install module. Yep. install module name. So now we want a specific package, PS read line. Allow pre-release. Again, we'll add the scope and current user. Force, and finally skip and publish a check. Oh, yep. Install that. And finally, what we'll want to do is install, I've already got it installed, which is why I'm getting that warning there, but you won't if this is your first time installing it. So install module name terminal icons. Alright, awesome. So now would be a good opportunity to download a code-friendly font. So you can usually get one of those at nerdfonts.com. So nerdfonts, yep. To fonts download, search whichever one you want. Partial to Cascadia Cove, so I've just gone ahead and downloaded that. Then you just install each of the fonts inside the zip folder, so you can just open them up there, just right click and install. So once you've got the fonts installed on the system, you'll be able to actually select it in your settings. So just under appearance, actually no, sorry, under profiles, default, what you'll want to go to is appearance, the font face, change that to, in my case I'll change it to Cascadia Cove no font. You'll be able to see it there and just hit save. And you'll have that new prompt there. Now to make sure that it persists, what you'll need to do is you need to update the profile file associated with this particular module. So I'll just go code $profile. If you don't have Visual Studio Code, that's fine. Just open up this file here at this particular path. So documents PowerShell, Microsoft.PowerShell profile PS1. But in my case, I'll just go code profile. So the reason why I'm seeing all the icons and stuff is because I've already got the module set up, but you'd want to include these ones here. So import module posh git, import module oh my posh, import module terminal icons, and then finally set the theme, which is in my case Paradox. Feel free to change it to whatever you want, but I found that that looks pretty nice in the terminal there. So once that's done, yeah, that's pretty much it. You can have a look around, nice little icons there. Nice, you got the time and nice icons there as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Leave a comment and a like if you enjoyed it.